Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see about Invoice Dashboard. You can see here our module Dev Invoice Dashboard. Here my module is already installed, so first go to Invoicing app and see here this menu for Dashboard. First display here user image with username and display this message, Good afternoon. It's default changeable. Morning time on display good morning, after 12 pm display good afternoon, and after 6 pm display good evening. So it's changeable based on duration. Next is the counter. First is the total invoice, paid invoice, partial and due invoice. It's display with total counting number. Now click on this total invoice. So display here total 9. Next is a chart. It's defined with due, partial and paid. And display here chart type. If you want to see in bar, so select bar, donut or line. And display here this icon for download individual chart. Now click on. So see here your chart is downloaded. Next is the customer wise due invoice chart. It means display customer name with total amount. Click on Deco ID and see here this total same amount. Next is the top invoice chart. Display here number of invoice and display here total amount of invoice. Here display total 3, but if you want to see that which invoice in top 6, so select easily. So now available here 6. Next is a table. First is a due invoice. It means that which customer invoice is totally due. Here display with number, customer name and due amount. Same here. Next is a partial invoice and display draft invoice. If you want to see for the specific invoice, so easily click on view button and display here. Again back dashboard and next button is a print. I want to print this, so easily click on print button and see here your draft invoice is printed. Here available total 3 filters, users, partner and date. Now I want to see mark demo. So see here mark demo for not available any invoice. Now Michelle. So display here Michelle add me invoice. Now select partners anyone like Azure. So Azure for available 1. And based on date, you can change and easily see here data. In top display this print button. If you want to print this dashboard, so easily click on print button. So now your dashboard is printed. Thank you.